Hello. This is going to be how to use iOS, and this will work with any iOS device. I'm going to cover the basics in this video, what's important, pretty much. So I'm going to be using an iPhone 4. It looks a little bigger because I have a juice pack on it, just a battery case, but the first thing you get to is your lock screen. Your lock screen has your time and date, up at the taskbar, which pretty much never goes away, your signal strength, Wi-Fi, whether your phone is locked, whether Bluetooth is on, and your charge. If you are charging your phone, let me go ahead and turn this juice pack on. It does that, and that little bar pops up. Anyway, down here is your slider. And this is how you unlock your phone. Next to your slider is the camera button, and I will show that to you later. So what you do to unlock your phone is, of course, slide to unlock. And here you are on your home screen. This is where all your applications and stuff are. If you see an icon that has multiple icons in it, that is a folder. You click on a folder, it opens like that. You click on the outside of a folder, it closes like that. Say I want to open my settings. You just click you just put your finger on settings and it does that. You hit your home key, you go back to your home screen like that. That's how simple it is. Now, to swipe through your apps, I have so many apps. I have folders and several pages of apps. So if I want to go to my next page, take your finger, swipe like this. That's how simple it is. If you're all the way up here, you can hit your home key and go all the way back. If you notice, as I change my apps, the 4 apps on the bottom of the phone stay the same, pretty much. Sorry about that. I'll show you what that is in a second. These 4 apps on the bottom of the phone are in what's called the dock. And no matter where you go on your home screen, unless you go to Spotlight Search, which I'll explain shortly, all those will stay the same. Now say you're looking for something in iOS and you don't want to have to go through a whole bunch of stuff to find it. You go to your Spotlight Search. Let me go ahead and clear this out. I didn't mean to do that. Be empty, Spotlight Search, please. Please. There you go. Okay. You go like this. You can either swipe to get to it, or you could hit your home key and it pops up like that. And you search whatever you want on your phone, and if you can't find it on your phone, it will give you the option to look on Wikipedia or something. So that's pretty much the basics of iOS. Sorry, I keep forgetting that my camera's looking the opposite way of me. Now, if you want to change the settings of your phone, you click the settings app. It just opens up like that. Let me go back to and you should get a screen that looks like this. All of your settings are very self-explanatory, but I will go through them in another video. I'm going to hit the home key and bring it back to my home screen like this. But that's pretty much the basics of iOS. If you want to move an app, all you have to do is take your finger, hold down on it until they start shaking, then it starts moving. Anyway, I don't want to move an app. To create a folder, you basically do what I just did, only you drag that, instead of dragging that to an empty space, you drag it on top of another app and it creates a folder. So say I'm going to take this and I'm going to drag it on top of this app right here, and that's what it does. This is the screen you get. And you can name this folder anything you want. You just tap on that right there, and a text box comes up, but I'm not going to name it. I'm actually going to get rid of this folder. I'm going to open it like this. I'm going to drag that out, open it again, drag that out, and the folder's gone. I don't exactly know where the other app went. Let me see if I can find it. There it is. I'm going to go ahead and whoop, whoop, whoop. Pew. Anyway. And to make your apps stop shaking like they are if you don't want to move them around anymore, you just hit your home key like so. Now say I'm in my settings app right here. I want to change to another app. I don't want to have to move to the home screen. Basically, instead of hitting your home key once, you hit it twice, and this happens. See that? Right at the bottom there? I can switch to the App Store, just like that. Now, if I want to switch back, I do it again. Bloop, that pops up. And I'm back in settings. But those are pretty much the basics of iOS.